Dear God, it's me again. I am so far from where I could have been. Dear God, I would be incomplete, but you came and touched my life in time of need. So I'm thanking you for all you've done and for sacrificing your only son. That's why I'm so grateful for the way you changed my life. I give all I have, I just throw it all away for a chance to walk with you through heaven's gates. That's why I'm thanking you for your love. That you give to me. So I'm writing you, oh, that I love you, I love you. You are my friend.
Dear God, as a humble man, I come to you like a child, needing your knowledge, your love, and your guidance, Lord. Thank you for trusting me with my own life's decisions, God. But I'm just a man, and I don't deserve this incredible life that you've given me, Jesus.